my wife, thinking of my wife, thinking of my children, my mother-in-law, father-in-law. You should get it, dog. Yeah, guys, like I said last time.
That guy cut it.
How do you feel about going into your very first lip sync battle, Finn?
I'm excited.
Ooh, baby, I've been stuck to you like glue, baby. Wanna spend it all on you, baby. My room is a G-spot. Call me Mr. Flintstone. Call me Mr. Call me. Call me. Call me.
I ain't got no food, bro. Yo, who the fuck put Michael Jackson in the freezer?
Given an award. It's tomorrow night on ABC.
ABC. Is this live? Where are they holding these?
Yeah.
Where is it?